Hello guys, welcome to another edition of this do-it-yourselfer channel. Today I'm gonna attempt to repair this leg of a chair my own way. You see that? This little device is screws into the leg, to the wood, and then the bolt screws into that, okay? So it's broken and yep, I'm gonna attempt to fix it, and this is how I'm gonna do it. I got some wood glue right here, and over here I got some wood sand dust that I got it from work. So I'm gonna apply the glue. And I'm gonna mix it. I'll mix it really good. It gets kind of like a paste, and once it become a paste, I'm just gonna throw it in there. Así, levántala. Yeah, and I'm just gonna fill it out. I'm gonna get some more until it gets all the way full. Okay, I got it all full, and I'm just gonna leave it like that until it dries up completely, a couple of days, and then I'll show you what I'm going to do next. So guys, after I kind of file that down a little bit, what I'm gonna do is then I'm gonna put the leg where it belongs, and I'm gonna stick the screw through there with paint. I got paint right there, and I'm gonna put 2 marks, and that's where the holes are gonna be at. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna do. So yeah, I got the paint right there. Put it there, and I'm gonna stick the and this is how it looks. You know, there's 2 spots, so that's basically where the other ones were. It's just the sense I put that on, and yeah, like I said, I'm just gonna put some paint there and stick it under like that while the leg is under. I'm gonna clean that paint off because then it's gonna be kind of hard to put it on back on. So I'm gonna just clean it out. I'm gonna start with the 15/64 drill bit. Same here. Okay. And I believe the size of this bolt is about 19/64. So now I'm going to drill with a 19/64, which I believe this is the size of the bolt. Okay. So now I got these two that I got from the leg itself, and that we need to find the size and go a little smaller than this, and I'm gonna find out. And I believe a 27/64 will do the trick. And I'm gonna try to screw this on in here with that size of a hole. But before I do that, I'm gonna put some paint there. The paint acts as glue, believe it or not. It gets really hard. I get both sides. And that's so that way the threads can get filled with glue. And then these ones, they gotta have slots on one side. See those slots? That's for the screwdriver. And we're gonna start screwing it in here. By this, you gotta have a big screwdriver. In which this case, I got mine. And this is how it's gonna work, guys. Just gonna screw it in. And since we just got new wood, it's gonna be kind of hard. But if you keep doing it, it's just gonna work. I'm gonna try it on a place where it's a little bit harder than this. And as you can see right there, oh, gosh. Okay, it's going in there. And it's really hard, and that's what I want. I really want it to be hard because yeah, just keep doing it until you get screwed both sides. Just like that, okay? Alright guys, so I got both of them inside. I didn't get them all the way inside because it was kind of hard. But you don't really have to. The ugliness is going to be hidden right there. You can barely gonna tell. But this thing's, I'm going to let it dry, of course, the paint. And this thing is going to get as hard as new. So you're going to have quite a few more years. But the trick is that when you put it on, we're also going to glue it from here. And that's going to give them an extra strength. So that way this, if it gets loose, at least it's holding by that. We'll talk about that tomorrow. Okay. Okay guys, so the only thing we got left to do is just to put the screws back on. I already put the bottom one, and it'll be as good as new, guys. All we have to do is tighten this up, and you will have a really strong leg, as good as probably new. All right. Alright, it's getting really tight. And bingo. This is how I fixed the leg. It's really tight. It's not going nowhere, and it's ready to rock and roll again. You don't have to throw the chair away with those easy fix. And alright, got it strong as new. Hey guys, this is it for today. If you like this video, please just put a thumb up and subscribe to my channel. That will help me a lot to keep going and doing some more videos. I have hundreds of them, so just don't forget. Yeah, that's my dog. Hey, Birdie. Alright guys,